Hello friends, today I want to show you how to crochet a puff V-stitch. Is a stitch which I used for my Cloe collection for the baby bonnet and the blanket, and the pattern is very easy to follow. It's multiples of 3. Now we will chain for this tutorial. I am chaining 15 chains. First row we start with 1 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Then we skip 3 chains, and in the third chain we start to make double crochet. We don't finish it, then we do again at the half of double crochet, and you have 3 loops on your hook yarn over, and we pull the yarn through all the 3 loops. Chain 1, then we start again in the same stitch, in the same chain we do double crochet. We start double crochet, we don't finish it, we start again double crochet, don't finish it, and then we connect all the 3 loops on your crochet hook together, and that is it. This is the puff V-stitch. Now we skip again 2 chains, and in the third chain we start again, make another puff stitch. We continue to work the same way, the same pattern, the same stitch till the end of the row. Don't forget to skip 2 chains between the puff stitches. When you will arrive to the end of the row, you will have 3 chains left. In the last chain, we do double crochet. And that's it. Your first row is over. We do chain 2 and we turn our work. Now we will work on the wrong side. We do double crochet in the same stitch. And then we will make puff V stitches in the space, chain space between our puffy V stitch. For this tutorial I'm using chunky yarn and 12mm metric size crochet hook, but personally I think that for this stitch more appropriate will be the thinner yarn and like 5, 4, 3mm crochet hook. If you choose to make any design with this stitch, with the thinner yarn, it will look more elegant, more feminine and more lacy, but at the same time it has very nice texture. At the end of the row we finish with double crochet in the last double crochet stitch of your first row, and that's it. Our second row is finished. We turn our work on the right side, and basically now you will continue just doing second row. This is how the stitch looks with 5mm hook and thinner yarn, and here's some inspiration for you what you can do with this stitch. It will be perfect for a hat or for a blanket. For example, this nice and dainty baby bonnet is also done with the puff V-stitch. Thank you for watching my video and happy making! See you soon!